coordinator ma'am, Yogini ma'am. Today we are going to represent Chandrayan-3. So let me start. What about the Chandrayan-3? A mission of hope for the future of space exploration. It is the basic introduction of the Chandrayan-3. But you all know about that we already launched Chandrayan-2 previously, but it was failed. What was the reason of failure of Chandrayan-2? Chandrayan-2 was an Indian mission to land a rover on the moon. However, the lander Vikram crash landed on the moon surface due to a soft land glitch and a deviation in velocity. The software failed to detect errors and the engines generated higher thrust than design 13. The landing site was also small and the moon's lack of atmosphere made pursuit ineffective. Basically, the rover did not detect the errors. That's why Chandrayan-2 was failed. Everyone clear? Next slide. Introduction of Chandrayan-3. Chandrayan-3 is India's third lunar mission to soft land on the lunar south pole region. The mission will conduct scientific experiment to the study of lunar geology, atmosphere and the environment. Whenever we are using the term lunar, it is related to the moon. Lunar geology, lunar south pole, lunar north pole, it is related to the moon. Okay, so what is the basic three mission objectives of the Chandrayan-3? Number one, demonstrate safe and soft landing on the lunar surface. Second is conduct rover operation on the moon. Third one is conduct on-site experiment on the lunar surface. So, whatever experiment, whatever things we are going to launch in the science field, we have to first take test. Okay? So, there are three tests done by the scientists in the ISRO department. One is integrated cold test for the demonstration of integrated sensor and the navigation performance test using helicopter as a test platform. Second is integrated hot test for the demonstration of closed loop performance test with sensors, actuators and NGC using towers crane as a test platform. Third one, lander lag mechanism performances test on lunar stimulate test bed stimulating different touchdown conditions. Okay, whatever situations will be found in the moon surface, we have to test down on the earth only, that we launch any vehicle or any mission to the space. Clear to everyone? Next slide please. Mission component, whatever component we are basically use. So there are three basic components that we use in the Chandrayan-3. One is rover, second is lander module, third is repulsion module. One is rover. This is a small mobile vehicle that will conduct on-site experiment on the lunar surface. It is equipped with a variety of scientific instruments, including the seismometer, a spectrometer and a camera. Whatever things we do, we want to know, a camera is very essential, so we have used a camera on the rover. Second is lander module. This module will land on the moon and deploy the rover. It's also a scientific payload that will study the lunar surface. Third one is propulsion module. This module is responsible for carrying the lander and the rover configuration to the moon. It also has a scientific payload that will study the earth from the lunar orbit. Next slide please. Okay, so what is the date that Chandrayan-3 was launched, when it will reach to the moon? So basic dates are, it is launched on July 14, 2023. Lunar transfer orbit date is July 15, 2023. And landing on the lunar south pole region is August 23, 24, 2023. When it will reach to the moon south pole, approximately 23, 24, 2023. Okay. So Chandrayan-3 was launched on July 14, 2023. It entered lunar transfer orbit on July 15, 2023. The lander is expected to land on the lunar south pole region on August 23 or 24, 2023. Next slide. So whatever hard work, whatever men Chandrayan-3 for our country. So basic significance of Chandrayan-3 is first Indian mission to carry a rover. Second is advances India's space exploration capabilities. Third is first Indian mission to land on the lunar South Pole and promote international cooperation in space exploration. Likewise, we are sharing international IT department. If this mission will land on the South Pole of the moon, we will share international space exploration. Okay, next slide. What is the mission life of Chandrayaan-3? Propulsion module 3 to 6 months. Lander rover 1 lunar day. Landing site 69.3 degrees south, 32.34 degree east, slightly of the side of Chandrayaan-2. Okay, in the geography we already learned that every planet has its orbits, every satellite has its orbit. Likewise, when we launch this mission, this Chandrayaan-3 will move to the Earth's orbit. Then after it will take lunar transfer trajectory. It will move to the orbits of the moon. After moving it, it will land to the proper space that we want. Next slide. Okay, what is the trajectory? The Earth-Moon average distance is roughly 384400 kilometers. The safe fuel Chandrayaan-3 has chosen a longer route to the moon. This adjusted path aimed to ensure a gentle landing of the mission's Vikram lander on the moon's South Pole area. The expected timelines for the soft touchdown is approximately 42 days after launch, specifically around August 23-24. Next slide. So these are the basic dates that it is really July 23, July 15, 23, July 17, 23. The second orbit retaining numerated performed July 22, July 25, August 5, 6 of August. Now, next slide. The recent photo that is captured by the Chandrayaan-3 is this. This is the moon picture that is captured by the camera. That is displayed by the ISRO on 10th of August. This is the recent photo. Next slide. Okay. Conclusion of Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 was a successful mission that achieved its objective of soft landing on the lunar South Pole region and conducted scientific experiment. The mission has furthered India's space exploration capabilities and has helped to gain a better understanding of the moon. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much.